Hello everyone, welcome to sdschessworld and I hope you have a great day. Today we will going to see a chess puzzle, but before going to it, don't forget to subscribe the channel and show your support. Now you're done that, let's go for the puzzle. So here is a puzzle. As you can see on the board now, white is down the exchange as white have this rook and this knight, where black has these two rooks. And this queen is attacking on this a2 pawn, also aiming on this f1 square for checkmate conditions. But this queen is trapped now, it don't have influence on black king side. Also this rook is cornered, this also don't have influence in the board. So using this condition, there are maximum 6 moves required to checkmate the black here, and it's white's turn. So go ahead for this puzzle and try to solve this. I hope you have found the moves, and if no, you want more time, then go ahead, pause the video here and go for it. Let's see the solution here. Black has this g4 pawn which is unprotected, so we will grab this pawn with the queen. Queen takes on g4 with check. As this queen is taking g file and h file is taken by this rook. So either this king have to move or rook have to come in between. Black will never do such a mistake f8 because rook to f8 is checkmate. This knight is guarding this square, also this rook is taking entire file and this queen is taking this file. So black will definitely go for rook to g7. Now next move, queen to e6, check. Definitely here king doesn't move because this rook to h8 move, that is checkmate. So this rook come in between on rook to f7. And third move, if you are thinking that move is rook to g2, but no, if you go rook to g2, then black king can go for h8 square, and now we don't have follow-up moves. If we go to h3, then this rook can come in between and this attack is stopped. Next move is knight takes on f6 with check. As you can see now, this king has only 2 square to go. Also we can grab black queen here with the loss of this knight. Black king will definitely move to f8 because if it moves on g7 square, rook to h7, that is check, and we will definitely force black here to move on f8 square. If it tries to move on king to g6, then it is a mistake because queen to f5 is checkmate. Definitely after this knight takes on f6, black will definitely go to f8 square, and after this we don't grab this queen here, we will go for rook to h8 check, and now king can't move anywhere, it have to come to only this square. King moves to g7 square and rook to h7 with the support of this knight, and of course it doesn't move here on g6 square because of this queen to f5 checkmate. It will move to king to f8, and final move, rook takes on f7 with checkmate. So what are the learnings here? As you can see on this third move, we can capture the queen, but if we capture, we will lose checkmate, because if we take the queen, rook will take the knight and it will pull his rook out of this inactive square. And secondly, we are using our queen to avoid the influence of this black queen on this diagonal. How we are doing this? We are doing this with these 2 minor pieces by using check. So learning from this puzzle is that avoid the influence of main pieces, that is queen, and don't fall for this by taking the major piece. If checkmate is possible, why to take this queen, right? Nice puzzle, isn't it?
I hope you like this video. If yes, then go ahead, hit the like button and share this with your chess buddies. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for future updates. You can watch my previous videos here. Also, stay in touch with me on Twitter, Facebook, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.